Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
UPC, Amongi, UPC, UPC, Obong, UPC, Akena UPC, UPC, UPC,
Let me speak in English.
My job today is very simple. People have campaigned. I'm coming here now to conclude the campaign. But before I conclude the campaign, let me start by saying thank you to the people of Lira. But I want to ask you a favor. On the 15th, do not go and vote alone. So until that day, I will keep pushing, I'll keep trying for the well-being of the people of Uganda. There was another story, Akena's run away. I even said I left the country. Akena is looking for UPC votes. Akena is office and when you had my flag, I supported you like you're my brother. But now, as a leader, why are you talking? Wow, like a fool. I want to tell you as a cultural leader, the late Mobutu Sese Seko of Congo, President Congo, the late Mobutu Sese Seko, he said there are no illegitimate children, there are only legitimate fathers and mothers. Betting at all, Amengeo, Papere, Eto Koruga, Kotelengeo, Nano, Papa Team. What I want to tell you as a cultural leader, there are not enough dads around us. There are not enough dads. People need father and daddy. As a cultural leader, you should be raising people on a moral standard. There's a difference between a father and a daddy. I'm a father, I'm also a dad. I'm a dad of many children. I don't raise those children. That is the responsibility of a man in society. If you're not ready to carry your responsibilities, you keep quiet. You teach it is very important that those of us who are in a position of responsibility, let us raise the young people responsibly. Let us give values which are going to raise the next generation of leaders. But when leaders are behaving like they are also the fools who make noise, what is wrong with this country? That's not how it should be. They're not going to get Akena saying all sorts of nonsense on radio. Let us be responsible. And I want to warn those who are trying to tear us apart as people. Let us be united even beyond the reaction. I have fought for unity. I have extended my hand across board. But now when I'm almost falling on the ground, people want to step on my head. It will not happen. I hear you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.